Hello, welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Sannunku da zuwa wufan na kayo maraba. Today we making lamurgee. Yo, damn lamurgee. And as usual, the measurements of the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have 10 grains of selim, a tablespoon of cloves or kanafuri, 3 medium lemons, 2 thumb size of ginger, and some pepper to taste. These are very tiny, but they are powerful. You can use the any crushed red pepper or any dried red pepper, and a liter of water. First, I cut the ginger, and I'm going to blend that. I wash the other spices and blend them thoroughly. With the hwentea or the grains of selim, you if you don't have it, you can supplement it with black peppercorns. It normally grows in Africa, so it's not common here, and it's sold on Amazon, but it's very expensive. So you can substitute it with black peppercorns. I think they are from the same family. So after I blend, I strain it, and I used a fine sieve strainer, but still it had some sediments. So I used a cheesecloth. You can also use a nut milk bag to do the job perfectly. This chaff, I don't throw it out. I normally reuse it. So I save it, reuse it. Now I cut the lemons and squeeze the juice out. Yeah, I sweeten it with honey. This is good for colds, so it's better to sweeten it with honey, but we normally sweeten it with sugar, or you can sweeten it with any sweetener of your choice, and it's best served with ice. But if you want to drink it for your cold, it's better to drink it at room temperature or warm. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can comment And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.